Hi guys, welcome to the 7th module of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be talking about views, like different elevations, sections, how to duplicate views, adding some callouts, hiding elements, and changing the detailing of the elements. So this is a plan, floor plan. I'll show the 3D view of this. So this is the 3D view of the floor plan, and so in this, we'll be seeing some ceiling plan. We don't need ceiling plan, we need floor plan for this. So yeah. Now you can see the floor plan of the level 1. Now as you can see, this is just some thin lines and thick lines shown here. The materials are not clearly visible with the colors. So to change that, we go to visual styles here. Then we have different options available here. First I'll click on wireframe. So here you can see the wireframe of the floor plan. You can see the concrete PCC bed here, and not much change in the walls and the rest structure. So next I'll show the hidden line. Hidden line is the same thing which was shown in the beginning. This is the hidden line, and then shaded line. Now you can see some colors popping out. Here we can see the PCC here and the floor which is here, and the different walls, and you can see that the all walls are of the same color. So each category is used with a color to show. So this floor is not same as this, so that's why it has a different color. And next I'll show you the consistent color, and you can see some colors fading out and show the difference. Shaded, you can see some light colors and then some consistent colors here. And the last is the realistic view. Here this is the exact color of the colors and shade of the material which is used. Here the style flooring, you can see them exactly. In the 3D view you can see them better. Yeah, you can see these colors of the realistic. I can show this here also. Yeah, so in the 3D view it's better you stick to the realistic view, because then you have too much dimensions and it will be difficult if you are in some hidden line view in the 3D. Go to the level 1, and I'll go to the section. I have drawn some section lines here, so I click on this section 2. You can see the section here. Yeah, if you want to modify the section, then the length of it, then just you need to drag this up and down. We'll be talking this in depth in the upcoming lectures. So this is the section 2 which was drawn, and then if you want to change the detailing of this, you need to go to detail level. It's already in course now, but you just see the difference of the all three types. So this is the course, and if I change to medium, now you can see the PCC here, this detailing of that. And if I change to fine, now you can see some changes in the door and windows here. It's different now. It's quite more detailed. I'll show this closer look. This is medium, and now if I click on fine, you can see this panel added to it. So that's how it's better when you give this to a designer or constructor, then you need to give them a detailed view so that they find every details in the structure models. I'll close this also. So this is the different types of detailing and the different types of views available. And I'll show one more thing in the 3D view. Now if you're working if you're working on something and you can't see the uh, this this dining table properly, so in 3D view you need to pan it like this and then view it. So it's better that if the whole walls are hide. So to hide all the walls, you click on this wall and then now right click and you can see hide in view option here. So we have three options here: elements, category and filter. If I click on element, you can see that only that wall is hidden, not any other walls are hidden. So I'll show the next type. If you want to undo, here is the all commands which are done here. So you can just undo that. And if I want to hide all the doors or all the walls, then I need to go to hide and hide in view and just category. This category. Then you can see all the walls are hidden. Now you can work on them very easily and make changes whenever it's required. It's better to use this. And now to bring back all that, you can just undo it, or you can do is here you can go to reveal hidden items. Now you can see a different view is shown here. The pink line shows that that element is hidden. You can see that this dining table, these windows are not in pink, only the walls everywhere are in pink, so it says that the walls are hidden. To unhide those, click on that and then right click, and again you get unhide option here, and you can click on category again to unhide that. Now you can see that these are all walls are not hidden anymore. To go back to the original plan, you just need to close these reveal items. So this brings back to the uh, 3D view as it was. So this is all the basic uh, view commands and necessary things which you need to know when you make the projects.